Hello students, we were doing application of derivative, equations of tangents and normals के क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे हम. Let us start with the next question. Prove that all the normals to the curve x is equals to a cos t plus a t sin t, y is equals to a sin t minus a t cos t are at distance a from origin. First we have to find the slope of tangent dy upon dx. This equation is in t, so that will be equals to dy upon dt into dt by dx. Now dx upon dt, derivative of cos is minus sin, u into v rule. First derivative of second plus second derivative of t is 1. So we get minus a sin t plus a t cos t plus a sin t. This will get cancelled. We have left with a t cos t. Now differentiate y with respect to t. Derivative of sin is cos, u into v rule. First derivative of second plus second derivative of first. A cos of t minus minus plus a t sin t minus a cos t. A cos t will get cancelled. We have left with a t sin t. So what we get? Dy upon dt a t sin t into 1 upon a t cos t. So we have left with sin t upon cos. Sin upon cos means tan. Now equation of tangent. So what will be the? Here we have to show that all the normals to the curve. So we will have to find equation of normal. Y minus y naught. Point is this. A sin t minus a t cos t. Slope of tangent minus slope of normal is minus 1 upon slope of tangent is sin upon cos. So sin t cos t. X minus a cos t plus a t sin t. Clear? Now this sign will goes on left hand side. Y sin t minus a sin square t plus a t sin t cos t minus x cos t minus minus plus a cos square t minus minus plus a t sin t cos t. A t sin t cos t, it will get cancelled. Note up to here first. Now in the next step what we get? Y sin t plus x cos t a cos square t plus a sin square t. Take a common from here. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So the equation is x cos t plus y sin t. Now distance of perpendicular from origin. That is equals to ax1 plus by1. 1 into x from origin, therefore 0 into x cos t plus 0 into sin t minus a upon square root of a square plus b square. Cos square plus sin square. Cos square plus sin square is 1, so minus a is a. This is what we want to prove. Note it down. Now the next question. Determine the quadratic curve if it touches the line y is equals to x at point x is equals to 1 and passes through -1 equation B, ax square plus bx plus c. It passes through point -1, 0. Put the value, x is -1 square. So we get this equation a minus b plus c. Now differentiate, let this equation as 1, this as 2. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. dy upon dx 2ax plus b. Clear? Now since the line y is equals to x touches the curve at x is equals to 1. When x is equals to 1, then y is also 1. When x is equals to 1, y is also 1. It means curve passes through 1, 1. So what we get? A plus b plus c. Let this as 3. Now since the line touches the curve, so slope of the tangent at x is equals to 1 is 2a plus b. That will be equal to slope of the line joining point x is equals to 1. Y is equals to x is the equation of line is equals to slope of line. Equation of line is y is equals to x. We can write it as this. So slope is equals to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So 2a plus b is equals to 1. Clear up to here? Now we have 4 equations. Now solve equation second, third and fourth. A plus b plus c is equals to 1. A minus b plus c is 0. So 2 times a plus c is 1. From here we get 2a plus 2c is equals to 1. 2a plus b is equals to 1. 2c minus b is equals to 0. So b is equals to 2c. Put the value. A minus b is 2c plus c. A minus c is 0. So we get a is equals to c. A is equals to c. Now put the value in equation 2. What we get? A is c, b is 2c, A is c, b is 2c plus c is 1. 4c is equals to 1. So we get c as 1 by 4. Therefore a is also 1 by 4 and b is 2c 1 by 2. So what we get? A 1 by 4, B 1 by 2, C 1 by 4. So the required quadratic equation is, A x square plus bx plus c. Note it down. Next one is, find the equation of tangent drawn to the curve y square minus 2x cube minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0 from point 1, 2. Suppose the tangent drawn from, point 1, 2 to the curve 1, 2 touches the curve at point HK. If it touches the curve at this point, it means this point will lie on the curve. Instead of x, put h. and y is k. X is h, y is k. So let this equation as 2 and this as 1. Now differentiate 1 with respect to x. 2y dy upon dx minus 6x square minus 4 dy upon dx is equals to 0. 2y minus 4 dy upon dx is equals to 6x square. So 6x square upon 2y minus 4. Now slope at the point hk. X is h, y is k. So we get 6h square upon 2k minus 4. Take 2 common from the denominator. We have left with slope of tangent as 3h square upon k minus 2. Now equation of tangent passes through hk. Y minus y naught, slope of tangent 3h square k minus 2, x minus x naught. Now cross multiply yk minus 2y minus k square minus minus plus 3h square x minus 3h cube. ये आई हमारे पास इक्वेशन. Now it passes through 1, 2. It passes through point 1, 2. Instead of x, put 1 and y is 2. So what we get? 2k minus 2y plus minus k square plus 2k 3h square minus 3h cube. Clear? Note up to here. Now add equation 2 and 3. Let this equation as 3. So what we get here? 2k minus 2, y is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 2k minus k square. 2k plus 2k is 4. 4k minus k square minus 3h square plus 3h cube minus 4 is 0. Let this equation as equation number 3. Now add 2 and 3. 3h cube minus 3h square plus 4k minus k square minus 4 plus k square minus 2h cube minus 4k plus 8 equals to 0. What we get? H cube, h square minus 3h square, k square we get cancelled, 4k we get cancelled, 8 minus 4 is 4. Now this is the cubic polynomial, and we know how to solve the cubic polynomial. We have to put the factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4, plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and plus minus 4. We have to check, put the any factor of 4 here. Let me put 1. 1 cube, 1 square plus 4. 1 minus 3 plus 4. 2, that is not equals to 0. Put minus 1. Minus 1 cube, minus 1 square. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. So minus 1 is the one of the factor of this cubic polynomial. Write that factor here. Now coefficient of cube term, square, actually term यहाँ पे नहीं है, and constant term. 1 as it is, multiply this. Minus 3 minus 1, minus minus plus, multiply किया 4. Now the last term is 0. You should be careful कि last term हमारे पास 0 आएगी. Now the factors are, factors of cubic polynomial क्या है हमारे पास? Minus 1 is the one of the factor. H minus minus 1. Now this is the quadratic left. H square minus 4h plus 4. So h plus 1, this is h minus 2 whole square. यही बना हमारे पास. So h is minus 1 और h is equals to 2. Clear up to here? क्यूबिक को कैसे सॉल्व करना है? जो भी कांस्टेंट टर्म है उसके फैक्टर्स देखो. 4 के फैक्टर्स प्लस माइनस 1 प्लस माइनस 2 प्लस माइनस 4. Check any of these factors to solve this so that the answer will be 0. Now when we put minus 1 here, then the answer is 0. So minus 1 is one of the factor of this cubic polynomial. Then write the coefficient of cube term, square, x वाली term and then the constant term. First term as it is, then multiply these terms here, add here, again multiply, then add and so on. Now we get this. Now value of h is minus 1 and 2. Now put h is equals to 2 in equation 3. Equation 3 was 3h cube minus 3h square plus 4k minus k square minus 4. Put h is equals to 2. 2 cube is 8 into 3. 2 square 4 into 3 plus 4k minus k square minus 4 equals to 0. 12 minus 4, 8. Or we get by taking negative common, k square minus 4k minus 8 is equals to 0. Now minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Solve the quadratic by using quadratic formula here. 4, 16 minus minus plus 32, 48 by 2. Write the factors of 48. So what we get? 4 root 3 upon 2. So 2 plus minus 2 root 3. Clear? And when h is equals to minus 1, when h is minus 1, minus 3, h minus 1, 4k minus k square minus 4, 0, minus 6 minus 4. So we get k square minus 4k plus 10. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Four plus minus 16 minus 40. Now this is imaginary roots. Negative in the square root term. So the roots are imaginary. So the point of contact are, when h is 2, then k is 2 plus minus 2 root 3. Clear? Now the equation of tangent will be y minus y naught, slope of tangent x minus x naught. Now slope of tangent at this point, slope of tangent was dy upon dx has value 3h square upon k minus 2. When h is 2 and k is 2 plus 2 root 3. 4 to 2, 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 2. So we get 6 upon root 3. We can write 6 as 3 into 2 and 3 as root 3 into root 3. So we get 2 root 3. So this is one equation, and the other equation of tangent. when h is 2 and this is 2 minus 2 root 3. 2 minus 2 root 3 minus 2. So we get minus 2 root 3. So equation of tangent y minus y naught minus 2 root 3 x minus x naught. Note it down. Now the next one is find the equation of normal to the curve this which passes through 1, 2. Write down. Let normal at point P touches the curve at 1, 2. Now, then this point will lie. Differentiate 1, 2x, 4 dy upon dx. So we get dy upon dx as x upon 2. And at the point x1, y1, that is equals to x1 upon 2. Now equation of normal at point x1, y1. Y minus y1 minus 1 upon slope of tangent x minus x1. Now it passes through point 1, 2. Put y is equals to 2 and x as 1. Clear up to here? Now solve this. 2x1 minus x1 y1 minus 2 minus minus plus. From here we get x1 y1 is equal to 2. Let this equation as 1, this as 2, and this as 3. From here find the value of y1, 2 upon x, put in 1, x1 square, 4 into 2 upon x1. So x1 cube is equals to 8 or x1 is equals to 2. When x1 is 2, then y1 is equals to x1 is equals to 2, y1 is 2 upon x1, 1. Now put the value of x1 and y1 in equation 2. Y minus y1 minus 2 upon x1, x minus x1. So what we get? Y minus 1 minus x plus 2. X plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Find the coordinates of point on the curve, the tangent at which passes through the origin. Let P x1 y1 be point on curve. Then this point will lie on the curve. Y1 is x1 square plus 3x1 plus 4. Now differentiate 1 with respect to x. dy upon dx 2x plus 3. Now slope of tangent at point x1, y1 will be 2x1 plus 3. Now it is given that it passes through origin. First equation of tangent y minus y1, slope of tangent x minus x1. It passes through origin. So 0 minus y1, 2x1 plus 3, 0 minus x1 minus 2x1 square plus 3x1. Negative will get cancelled. So y1 is equals to 2x1 square plus 3x1. Let this equation as 2 and this as 3. Now to find the value of x1 or y1, subtract 2 from 3. y1 2x1 square plus 3x1, x1 square plus 3x1 plus 4. Subtract this equation. 2x1 square, 3x1 will get cancelled. So x1 square is equals to 4. So x1 is 2. x1 is plus minus 2. Put the value of x1 to find the value of y1. When x1 is 2, then y1 is 2 square, 3 into 2. When x1 is minus 2 square, 3 into minus 2. So we get 2 points, 2, 14 and minus 2, 2. So these are the required points. Note it down.